Well, this is another video I did not want to make. This is my third GoPro Mini 11. As you guys know, my first and second GoPro Mini 11s were defective from the factory. They would freeze while recording all the time. This is the third. It has not frozen while recording yet, but it freezes while charging all the time. I also have an issue where the screen will just show completely scrambled sometimes. And the final straw for me was today. I'm out filming a gig and it refused to charge. So the battery, even though it was plugged in, the light would come on red up here for about 5 seconds and then turn off, and then it just wouldn't charge. So it would just drain itself down to 0, and now it's completely fucking dead. Long pressing the button and shit doesn't do a damn thing. It's just dead. It's trying. I got the card out because I had to swap to a different camera. So I did all my work on the old camera today, and this piece of shit just let me down. So I'm sending this back to GoPro.